Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into your Etoro account using your Etoro application on your mobile device. If you're trying to log into your Etoro account using the Etoro application, first make sure you have the application downloaded on your preferred device. Once you have the application, tap on it to launch it open and allow necessary permissions for the app in the pop-up. Now, as soon as you go ahead and launch open the app, you'll be able to see this interface from where you can create a new account if you don't have it yet. Or if you already have an existing account, you can tap on the sign in link at the bottom of the screen and enter your username or your email address followed by your correct password. You can also go ahead and sign in with your Apple account, Facebook account or Google account by selecting from the options at the bottom. If you want to log in using your username or email, go ahead and type in your email in the first text box or your username for your Etoro account. Now, on the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on reset it here link right beneath the password box and follow through the password reset process. Once you type in the correct password, you can tap the sign in button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Etoro account. Etoro is a social trading and multi-asset brokerage company which focuses on providing financial and copy trading services. You can sign into your Etoro account anytime you want by using this simple step and you'll be good to go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and do it right now by tapping on the subscribe button. Press the notification bell as well so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more of these tutorials. Thank you for watching.